Next we see the workbook versus worksheet. Basically, when you first time open an Excel file, for example this is an Excel, by default this is known as the book. It is a workbook in which we will do some activity on this workbook. Next, below this is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. These are many sheets. So workbook is an entire file, and worksheet, these are different sheets inside a workbook. So a workbook is nothing but the collection of these sheets, which are, we will see, for example I have to add one more new sheet here. Just click on this plus button and you can add sheet 2, sheet 3, many you just want. So by default you will find only sheet 1, but you can add it. Totally depends upon your machine memory, the system which you are using, how many workbook, or inside a workbook how many worksheet we can add. So totally it is depend upon your memory. So yes, workbook is a collection of this worksheet. We will see one by one which the worksheets we are having in our file. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.